This will be a demonstration of how we're going to use the online LaTex equation editor to get an equation, math equation, into our Blogger posts. So to start, I've created a blog post. You want to make sure you title it first and then create your blog post. This is the blog post I've created, and it's the demonstration that I'm doing as a video right now. But I want a math equation to go right in here. And the way we do that is we're going to open this online LaTex equation editor. You can click the link there. It will open in a new window. In the equation editor, you're going to type or select the symbols, functions, inverse trig, logs, limits, operators, and add those in to make your equation. So for this example, I'm just going to go into the examples and we're going to use these pre-made pieces to create this equation right here. As you can see, the markup language to create the math is very different from what you would see in the equation, and that's going to be based on what you selected in the previous screens, symbols and operators and whatnot. But this is what your equation is going to look like. Once you've got the equation to the way that you want to come down to the very bottom, make sure we're on LaTex, and then we want to copy this information out of here. Go back to your blog post, and where you want that math equation, click to make sure it's there. We need to make sure we're in HTML. It will turn light gray there. Scroll back up to the top, find where you wanted that math equation, which would be somewhere right in here, and then we want to paste that code in. Now if you go back to the regular compose, you'll see, I'm going to add some more spaces in here, that we have the markup language still. It is until you save and publish or preview the blog post that the information that's in the markup language will convert into the equation. So I've already saved this before when I created the original blog post, so I'm just going to update this. And then when I go to view, you'll see that this has been converted over from, if I mouse over, you'll see the original code that's in there. That's the markup language. But the viewing is the actual equation. So that's how you would get from the online LaTex equation editor into your blog post to make sure that it actually views as an equation.